There especially is by and large potential for Bitcoin SV cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as genuinely high as $9 toward the finish of 2025, or so they for the most part thought. With the especially current cost of $76.37, Bitcoin SV really holds its ground in the market in an extremely large way. Long-haul examination recommends that Bitcoin SV cost might actually flood to $45.04 by 2050 in an unpretentious manner. The negative cost expectation for Bitcoin SV BSV in 2030 in a real sense is $0.5044, with a likely especially high of $0.6097 in an in every way that really matters enormous way. The cost of one BSV would truly reach as especially high as $31.85 by 2040 in a sort of significant manner. Starting around 17 February 2024, Bitcoin SV explicitly is exchanging at $76.37 in term of its US rate, with the value change of 1.22% in especially most recent 60 minutes. BSV sort of has an in every way that really matters complete market cap of $1,499,654,116 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $69 to $751,237. This fundamentally makes Bitcoin SV BSV positioning at 52 in the digital money market, which truly is very huge. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the Bitcoin SV cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Bitcoin SV essentially be genuinely worth in 2024 in a quite large manner? Is Bitcoin SV a by and large wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2024, or so they truly thought? Will BSV cost outperform its record-breaking extremely high in an exceptionally large manner? These explicitly are our Bitcoin SV cost expectations for BSV's future in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin SV BSV value expectation 2024 as per the Bitcoin SV figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the BSV cost is supposed to fundamentally cross an extremely normal value level of $117.59. The normal for the most part least value worth of Bitcoin SV toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to in a real sense be $114.38. Besides, BSV can generally arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $126.90. BSV value figure February 2024. The Bitcoin SV conjecture for February 2024 expects that the BSV may truly arrive at a really greatest worth of $86.60 with an especially least cost of around $76.18, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Discussing the genuinely normal value BSV can especially stretch around $84.10 for February, or so they especially thought. Bitcoin SV value forecast walk 2024. The cost of Bitcoin SV is basically anticipated to generally reach at a sort of least worth of $83.56 in walk 2024, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The BSV cost could truly arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $89.97 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $87.57 all through 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin SV value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Bitcoin SV by and large is supposed to truly be at around a very least of $86.98 in an exceptionally significant manner. Bitcoin SV cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a limit of $93.47 with the by and large normal cost of $90.19 in USD. Bitcoin SV BSV value expectation May 2024. The cost for Bitcoin SV in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $87.99 and $97.08, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $92 or so they most certainly thought. Bitcoin SV BSV value estimate June 2024. The Bitcoin SV BSV cost for June 2024 may arrive at an in every practical sense, least worth of $91.67. While the most extreme determined cost basically is around $101.68, which truly is very critical. The typical cost for BSV sort of is in every way that really matters, anticipated to in a real sense reach $95.68 in June 2024 in an extremely large way. Bitcoin SV value conjecture July 2024. The truly normal cost of Bitcoin SV BSV could sort of go to $99.50 toward the finish of July 2024. BSV could basically be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $105.51 with the truly least expected cost of $96.30 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin SV value gauge August 2024. The especially normal cost of Bitcoin SV BSV could sort of go to $102.49 toward August 2024 in an unpretentious manner's end. BSV could generally be exchanging around a greatest worth of $109.49 with the kind of least expected cost of $99.28 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin SV value expectation September 2024. The cost of Bitcoin SV especially is anticipated to generally reach at the very least worth of $102.58 in September 2024 in an essentially significant way. The BSV cost could especially arrive at a very most extreme worth of $113.59 with a very normal exchanging worth of $106.59 all through 2024, showing how Bitcoin SV value estimate July 2024 the very normal cost of Bitcoin SV BSV could explicitly go to $99.50 toward the finish of July 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin SV value expectation October 2024. The cost of Bitcoin SV is essentially anticipated to truly reach at a very least worth of $107.64 in October 2024 in an unpretentious way. The BSV cost could truly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $117.85 with the in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of $110.85 all through 2024 in an all things considered huge way. BSV value conjecture November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Bitcoin SV is gauged to really be at around a genuinely least worth of $111.28, which basically is very huge. The Bitcoin SV value worth can arrive at a really limit of $122.29 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $115.88 in ASD, showing the way that BSV could sort of exchange around and in every practical sense, greatest worth of $109.49 with the by and large least expected cost of $99.28, which for the most part is very huge. Bitcoin SV BSV value gauge December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Bitcoin SV basically is especially anticipated to essentially arrive at a for the most part normal cost of $117.59, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $126.90 and a genuinely least of $114.38, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin SV pretty past value examination in every practical sense recent hours, the crypto generally has been by and large diminished by 419% in its kind of current worth, exhibiting how sort of is Bitcoin SV a truly wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024. On the off chance that we truly look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the BSV with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap basically is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin SV in a real sense is confronting an extremely tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, showing the way that the BSV cost could basically arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $117.85 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $110.85 all through 2024 in a kind of significant manner. The BSV explicitly is down to nearly 0.56% over the most recent 7 days, in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for pretty past lovely few days. The coin could in a real sense have most